Hi, this is Michael Adams for CEO Roaster and Stock Telegraph. I'm in Vancouver, actually attended the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2020. And yeah, it's a good tradition that I'm jumping into the Dunnedin Ventures office to get an update from Claudia. The last time we did an interview was in November, I think. And since then, a lot of things happened at Dunnedin. 2019 was already an exciting year for the company, but I trust that 2020 will be even more exciting. And Claudia will tell me why I will be a happy shareholder towards the end of the year. So welcome. Welcome. And let's kind of review what happened since our webinar, which we did in November.
Yeah, well, quite a few things happened, important things happened. We did our first drill program at our MPD project in southern BC. Just as a recap, that's the porphyry, copper gold porphyry project between Highland Valley and Copper Mountain, like in a very producing copper district with great infrastructure. We drilled for the first time. We had planned to drill 1,500 meters. It went really well. We drilled 1,800 in total. Cool. And stayed on budget, so we were very pleased.
Very rare.
Yeah, well, we were fortunate with the weather and great drill crew, and everything went to plan. So good result. Then the core went to the lab. We had a couple of weeks of wait, and now just last week we were able to announce the results, and we were very pleased with them. Okay. We drilled 3 holes. The third hole was the longest hole, and that one really blew the door wide open. It was the best hole ever drilled on the property. Oh, okay. Mineralized from top to bottom, and most importantly, we discovered high-grade zones. We discovered a new zone, gate zone, which was significantly higher grade than what was ever drilled before on the property.
Okay, great. And are all results already in, or are there more results coming out, or what's the situation?
The results from this program are out now.
Okay.
And the best hole, the number 3 hole, that one was, as I said, it was mineralized top to bottom, so 763 meters in total of 0.28% copper equivalent. Okay. And the high-grade zone, the best intercept, was 102 meters of 0.68% copper equivalent. And if you sort of compare that to the average grades that are mined in Canada, copper grades on average in producing mines are 0.35% copper. Yeah. And the neighboring mines, Copper Mountain, Highland Valley, they mine between 0.25, 0.3. So what we drilled is more than twice that. So we're very, very pleased.
And these results, first of all, congratulations. But what do these results tell you how to proceed?
Well, they give us a lot more information. The first hole, the first discovery hole, is the most difficult one because you have the least information. So now with the core we have from this drill program, we have a lot more information. We'll be able to target much better for our next program, which will be a bigger program and significantly more drill targets. Okay. And what we know now, from all we know, we believe we're looking at an upright porphyry system, and which upright means it might come closer to surface or to surface, and we will be targeting more high-grade zones, chasing the center of the porphyry, which we are not yet in. We know from the typical zonation that you see in the mineralization that we're not yet at the sweet spot, so we will be following up to drill more high-grade, and we'll try to find it as close to possible, as close as possible to surface as possible.
Is there already kind of a timeline for the next drill program, or are you still in the decision process?
Well, we have a couple of steps to do, homework to do. Essentially, we take now all this information we have. We do some petrography, some geochemical analysis, just to really understand the system better. And
needs to be done.
Exactly. Okay. So, and then we'll also in spring we have planned a little bit of geophysics, again to fill in data gaps and sort of understand the system better. And the best time to drill will be in sort of May, June, when the snow is gone, simply because it's much more cost effective to drill there, and you get more bang for exploration dollars. So early summer drill program is what we're targeting. Okay,
so you have some time to do your homework, to figure out where you want to drill, right? So, which again, if you have the right points to drill. It saves money for the company. So, okay, so that sounds like you're on a good track. And are there any other activities planned? We're talking about MPD. Is there anything else planned for the other projects?
Well, we have our Mojave project, which is a very similar project to MPD. Also, porphyry, big size potential, previously drilled. We have done some technical work and analysis of the previous results last year. So we are ready to drill. Or ready to start exploring and to drill. But with the results now, the great results we have from MPD, that's obviously now our priority.
Sure.
So we are fully focused for now.
Being a shareholder, it should be.
Yeah, we'll prioritize working on MPD. Mojave is sort of our joker, our second project on the list, and we'll see how we can fit that in the year. But for now, the next step is MPD.
Okay, so the focus, and that was kind of a year last year where you changed the focus from the diamond exploration that we used to do before into the copper exploration, which the market told you, right? And which I think is, again, being a shareholder, I support this decision. So so that was a transformational year for you. This year, you're going to focus totally on the MPD and a little bit on the other project. So what are you going to do with the diamond project in general? So what are your plans? You're just keeping it alive, or what are the plans? Because in my understanding, it's kind of a different investor audience, like guys that are investing into diamonds compared to base metals. So what are your feelings about that?
Yeah, well, it's a good project, and we have it still in our portfolio, Kahuna. We are looking at opportunities to monetize it in some shape or form for our shareholders, and we're very opportunistic in that respect. We will certainly look at transaction opportunities if the right one comes along. And we are in a fortunate position with Kahuna that we don't have to spend any money, significant money to keep the project. So we are not under pressure to do something quickly, but we certainly have our eyes open for an opportunity to create some value from this project for our shareholders.
And you already had, like a year ago, so you already had a spin-off on one of the projects, right? This, what was it called?
We spun out a gold company out of the Kahuna Diamond project.
So they already proved they can do it, but not having said that they will do it. Yeah, but okay. So to me, I feel that it's a pretty good plan, right, for the company. The drill results are really encouraging, and the focus, to me, the focus on copper is for this market is exactly the right thing to do. So anything you need to add, or any final words you want to have to the shareholders that you are having in the German market, or actually worldwide?
Well, it'll be a very busy year for Dunnedin. Last year was of a transformation. This year we will be drilling full speed, and so there will be lots of news flow, lots of results. Copper price is going in the right direction. It's nudging above 285 per pound and had a really nice rally since December. So it should be a good year.
Okay, good final words. Thank you, Claudia.
Thank you.